Want to know how to hide WhatsApp on your iPhone? Hiding WhatsApp can help you stay focused on other important tasks. Well, look no further. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how you can hide WhatsApp on your iPhone. So let's get started. Method 1. Before you start, open Settings, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Make sure to set up your Face ID first. Right after that, go to Home Screen. Press and hold on the WhatsApp app from your iPhone home screen. If you set Face ID before, it will show an option called Require Face ID. Then tap Require Face ID. Now tap Hide and Require Face ID. Scan your Face ID and tap Hide App. Method 2. Press and hold on the WhatsApp app from your iPhone home screen. Then tap Remove App. Next, tap Remove from home screen. Method 3. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap Allowed Apps and Features. Scroll down and find the WhatsApp. Just toggle it on. Hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.